Hi everyone, welcome back to Happy Mummy Vlogs. Today I'm going to show you how to do this simple makeup for office going ladies and working moms. So this is the final look that I would be creating in this tutorial and I hope you will find this video useful. So let's start the video. So before I start my makeup, I'll prepare my skin with this rose water from Kama Ayurveda, and believe me, this keeps my skin fresh all day long. And after that, I'm going to start my makeup with this pretty gel based makeup primer from Nykaa. I've told you about this one before as well, and this is a really good one. A primer is something smoothing out the skin and mattify the skin, and your makeup just stays fresh for a much longer time. Then I'm going to use a BB cream by Pond. This one is one of my favorite makeup essentials. This one is also affordable and really cool for daily makeup look. After wearing this one, you will really look natural. And that is all a working woman needs to look. So this one is just make your skin a little fresh. And this has given me a quite nice natural coverage, and if you want more you can go for a concealer as well, but for me this is enough, so I'm not going to apply any concealer. So next I'm going to apply this loose powder. Actually I prefer to use loose powder when I go out, and this one is from Maybelline New York and one of my favorite one, and the loose powder just gives a natural matte effect to you. And next I'm going to apply this lip balm also from Nykaa, and this one is an amazing one and makes my lips so smooth. That's why I really like this one, and I would really recommend this one to everybody. So coming to the eyes, I'm going to use this matte mauve shade from palette of Nykaa New York. Now if you don't have time to wear an eyeshadow, you can definitely skip this process or just simply apply a single coat. I really like eye makeup. I just feel myself incomplete without this, and that also gives me a fresh eye look, so I'm doing this. And then I will give my eye a little smoky look through this black color by rubbing with my fingertips on my upper eyeliner, also on the lower lash line. Next I'm going to set my eyebrows with brow powder from the same palette, and after that I will use a liner from Nykaa. This eyeliner gives my eyes a really amazing look and just looks so perfect. And if you don't want to apply any eyeliner, you can also go for a simple eye pencil. Now moving to my lashes, I'm gonna prep them up, and I'm using a transparent lash solution from Wet n Wild. If you don't have heavy lashes like me, you can go for it. And after that I'm using a mascara from Maybelline New York, and I'll be giving all the product links in the description box of this video, so don't forget to check that out. Now this mascara is a wonderful one. Kindly apply on upper and lower lashes as well. It just opens up your eyes and makes your makeup just so fresh in the morning that you really want to look to in the lazy morning. Next I'm going to use this matte finish blusher from Maybelline New York. This is a very light one for a daily purpose, also gives a little shiny, little matte look. Now I'm going to finish my lips with the pretty pink lip color from Maybelline New York. This is a creamy matte lip color and I really love this one. I'll just apply 2 coats with the help of my fingertips so that it will not look like heavy on me. Next I'm going to finish up my makeup with this fixture from Wet n Wild, and believe me guys, this one is a must-have one as this keeps my makeup last long. So my makeup is done and I'm gonna pamper my hair a little with Matrix hair serum. You can also use Leave-On or any other serum. You can make a pony or a bun, but I'm leaving them like this as in the busy morning, loose hair just makes you so comfortable. Now just carry a pair of pretty pearl earrings and you are office ready. Guys, there are more makeup looks coming on your way, so keep watching Happy Mommy Vlogs and I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to share your opinion in the comment box. Also subscribe. So stay happy, Happy Mommy Vlogs. Bye bye.